Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually get the 6 different charging animations in your Realme device. Yes friends, this is a Realme smartphone which I'm trying to use, which is a Realme GT Neo 2, and this particular theme you can actually install in any other Realme device as well by using the theme store. There will be 6 different charging animations similarly like this, as you can see friends, exactly, apart from the boring animation which we do get super dot charger every time, but this is something kind of unique, right? So in this video I'll try to show you what is this theme and how many different charging animations and what are the different charging animations you can actually get and install in this Realme device. So this is how the normal charging animation looks like, and this is the theme charging animation. So we do know, right, this kind of super dot charger which we do get in the normal Realme phones. But right now I'll try to show you friends what is this theme. And one more quick note, this theme is right now it's not available for free. Now let me show you what is the theme name, and let me go to the settings option and personalization and go to the themes. And right now these are the my themes which I did download, and this theme is called Yang OS. As you can see right now it's available for about 29 rupees. So before, I think there used to be some kind of sale where I did download for free. This is the exact theme. So by using this theme you can actually get the 6 different charging animations, as you can see friends, exactly, which is really cool right now, as you can see. So that's what I'm going to exactly explore in this video. And in case if you want to download, you can download from any other Realme phone as well using this name. Just type in the theme store and you will be able to download immediately, but you need to pay 29 rupees. But right now it's not available for free, but I did download when it's available for free. So you need to check it every time. So maybe when it's free I'll try to post the video. But right now let me show you friends how to change and everything. So once you go to the lock screen, you just need to pull it down and click on this time. And now you do get 6 different charging animations. So this is the first animation which looks like the iPhone type of charging animation. So which is quite usual, there's nothing much huge difference. But second animation, this is a charging animation. This is kind of cool, right? So if you want to select this particular charging animation, just click on the tick mark and just try to lock the screen. And when you unlock the phone, you'll be able to get this kind of charging animation, which is really cool. Something different than the usual super dot one, everyone. That's what I do want. So that's the reason friends, nowadays I'm trying to focus on the customization options. So I'm trying to do my best to upload the videos on the applications and gamings and even the live wallpapers as well. Recently I started to do this kind of Realme UI and MIUI customization features as well. So there's a different type of walk charge charging animation, and this another type you will be able to see the blinking animation. This also looks cool. Yep. And this is another 5th type charging animation, and finally 6th type, which is walk. This looks kind of similar, right? So Mi phones and MIUI phones and some Poco phones, they do have this kind of charging animation. If possible, let me to bring out some other phone. So this is a Mi 11 device which has got similar type of charging animation, I think, as you can see, exactly similar type of charging animation. So this is exact copy from the MIUI, so you can actually get in the Realme phone as well. Same type of design. Same. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick. In case if you want to download, you can download this Yang OS from the theme store, and there are a couple of other benefits as well. Apart from this one, there's a lot of widgets going on the lock screen and a lot of different styles you can actually access. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Are you interested in this kind of customization options or not? If you're interested, I'll try to do my research about this customization and I'll try to make a videos. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.